Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ron Borna. Today is our third day in Seychelles. Now we are at Praslin. Today I will show you things to do in Praslin. In Praslin, best location to stay at Côte d'Or area. There are lots of hotels, bungalows, restaurants and beaches at walkable distance. We took a rent car. It's cost €50 per day. Local bus service also available there. It's the cheapest way to roam around the Vallée. We reached to Vallée Nature Reserve in Praslin. This is very famous for crocodile nut. Entry ticket per head 320 Seychelles rupees. Children under 12 years is free. Crocodile is the biggest nut in the world. One of the cultural icon of the Seychelles. It's only growing in Praslin Island of the Seychelles.
So this can weigh from 5 kgs to 30 kgs at times. So if you have a heavy lunch this afternoon or haven't gone to the gym yet, you can always try to lift this. This one or this one. Once in a lifetime experience.
Oh my
Be
god.
careful, be careful. It's quite heavy.
Oh.
It's heavy. Stay in Seychelles forever, but never happened before because we know when a crocodile is about to fall. Okay? So, skin. So if you look on top of it, we have some yellow flowers. So these flowers are the pollens. So normally a male tree can grow from 15 meters and rarely 20 meters. But for reproduction process to take place, we always need the male. So on the male catkin, like I've shown you before, we will have hundreds of these tiny yellow flowers. So these flowers are the pollens. So now we're going to play a little game. Okay, so last but not least, we have the Neprosperma palm tree or the Latania milkpat. So if I translate male catkin, when the job is done, after 3 to 6 months, with rainwater, it will fall down and become compost as the inside is quite fiber also.
Côte d'Or beach. It's a very long white sand beach. Not too much crowded. Lots of restaurants near the beach. Thanks for watching Reserve.One. If you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel for more updates. Bye.